Hey guys, today is Friday, April 7th of 2023, and I'm going to go over natural gas. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Happy Good Friday, happy Easter, all that good stuff for you guys. I know it's been a rough day in the markets. Uh Yesterday, I mean, what happened? Look at this. Look at that candle. Very, very negative. I'm not going to show you too much, but I'm going to show you what important things I think you need to think over the weekend. First off, what happened? The Black Widow got pounced. The Black Widow got pounced, falling down, big red candle. It wasn't even a bear that attacked us. It was more like a Bigfoot, like a huge Bigfoot just came and just ripped us up to pieces, or us bulls. Ugly Bigfoot. Forget bears. This thing was even it wasn't even real. But the Black Widow is gonna, you know, she's gonna do her thing. Just wanted to show you that. Bring some humor here, because I mean, what else you expect? Um, First off, I created this chart to kind of get a glance, just get the big picture. This is a quarter, uh, monthly, weekly, daily. I want to zoom into the daily. Before I even do that, let's look at some technicals. Let's go over here. Look at some things here. Uh Hockey stick on the monthly. This is still holding area right here. Value area low around 172 if it gets down there. We have a Tom D Mark 13th candle. This week just kicked in. MACD is still positive. Volume was pretty strong, especially for the bears. And the MACD just turned negative on the daily. So that's not good right there. And then if we could just focus on the volume here, you can see, you get the bulls, the bears get one, the bulls get one, the bulls get one, then the bears come. This kind of gets a little edge to the bulls, but then Thursday, big volume above the 20 moving average, and the bears really pounced on us. And you got a MACD crossover. Could that change next week? I'm going to show you some things to lift up your spirits. Now, will it happen? We'll see. But I'm very optimistic and positive for next week, even though it's been a lot of chop fest. You can see the closes where they close. It's just kind of in, and they pushed it here, but really didn't. I mean, they pushed it lower, but then closed somewhere kind of right. I could draw a straight line, kind of where that close is from March the 28th. Let's see. Anything over here? These are levels. I'll go over that later. Um, let's see. Charts over here. Volume. I wanted to show you some things on volume. So this right here, using the 5-year, this still remains some support right here. You can see that we bounced off there February the 22nd. And now we're kind of chopping around in this area. Anywhere around here, the 207, that 199, that's all, pretty much support. You can see it right here from two market profiles that I have. And then from 15-year, you can see value area low is the 208. And from here, there's the 198, 199. So that 199, $2, that's all a lot of value area low for support. Can it go and test that? Yeah, anything could happen. But so far, this is holding. Uh, so I'm very positive. The one thing is that if we close below 196, then that's not good. It it has potential to maybe even push lower. I mean, we'll look at other levels, but it could. There's a lot of traders that are bearish. There's like, yeah, I'm gonna cover my shorts when we hit 144 or 150, and that's cool. That's the strategy they have. They believe, a lot of things that are in our favor. Very strong storage, not that much demand. You know, the weather is not cold, so there's a lot of, they have a lot of, talking points that that are very valid, and I'm not ignoring it. The fundamentals and the technicals are not kind of lining up. You got seasonality for some reason says, that April is strong for whatever that reason is. I don't know what it is. I'm still trying to research that. Cycles are bottoming out, uh, very oversold. But then again, no one's really using, natural gas for some reason. Weather is very warm or getting warmer, and the supply storage is building up. So, what are you going to make of that? Either like, well, I'm not going to trade it. It's not jiving with me. I don't feel right. And then, you just stay on the sidelines and wait till, people start using natural gas and it goes down and maybe it goes up. Or, depending the kind of trader you are, if you're kind of holding for the long term, it's like, all right, so what's the odds? Is it going to stay here for 5, 10 years? Just sideways here, you know? Or is it going to be a month, 2 or 3, or, towards the end of this year, and then it'll start going up? But at least I'm in at a good discount, or if it goes lower, nibble in right there at 144. It's one of those things you just got to think, but that's like a personal thing. And depending where you're at, if you got in at 3, if you got in at 250, if you got in at, 215, 218, 225, and now you're kind of in the red and you're like, I don't know, is it going to go lower? It's just all of these little things. My stop is all the way down here, or, right below 196, at 170, I'm out. My stop is there, so all these little things are crossing everybody's mind and trying to figure out, what's going to happen. So, I've been saying that April's going to be interesting. Of the school of thought that, I'm going to follow the seasonality. The fundamentals are not backing me up. But for some reason, the seasonality says, and, it doesn't always play out, but when it does, it does. And I'm, betting that it will, that it's going to turn up. So I'm going to show you some things here. Let's go. I don't want to waste your time. Let's look at some of the statistics that's happened in the past. I'm going to show you the calendar here. Just kind of show you what's going on here. So here, let's say April the 3rd, Monday, prices pretty much went up. Right here on the statistic trading day, it was typically down. So prices went up, but trading day, it was supposed to go down. On Tuesday, average return by trading day was up, but then Tuesday comes and price action goes down. I want you to see the pattern. Wednesday, average return by trading day is down. Which one is Wednesday? Wednesday's what, the 5th? And then price action goes up. Comes Thursday, April the 6th, average return by trading day is down. You can see the percent. And Thursday, this one lines up. And then I don't have anything for Friday, and I added something new that I haven't added here. Average return by weekday. So these are the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Friday was up, and Wednesday is down. Yeah. So for this week coming up, the strongest day out of the month is Monday, the 10th. It's up 0.80. So this is the strongest day. Let me open this up so you guys can see it. So the average trading day on Monday, this Monday, the 10th, is very strong. Then on Tuesday is down. Wednesday is down. And then Thursday is up. And then Friday is up. but this is the strongest. And then I believe then this one, it's up. In regards to weekday, Wednesday is up. Normally, Tuesday for the month of April is down. It's Wednesday is negative, and Thursday is normally negative, and then Friday's up. So in regards to weekday, Monday and Friday are the strongest in regards to which is the strongest days of the week. Monday and Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are normally weak. In regards to trading day, this day is the strongest. And then it goes down, and then up, and then up. You got that? Okay. In regards to the month, average return by the month is up. Average return by the week is up. So that's up. That's up. For this week, the week of the 15th is up. And then in regards to percentage of money, well, I'll put the dollar sign from the 10th through the 14th. It's in the green, so you're making money from the 10th all the way. I mean, not the 14th to the 19th. This is all positive, right? Oops, did I mess it up? Yeah, positive right here. The 10th through the 19th. And then the biggest days that you make the most money would be on the 18th, which is this one right here. And then here where this was where it ends, and then there's negative days. So the days I don't have covered, they're normally red. And then the next biggest day would be the 22nd, which would be, well, not the 22nd. I have that wrong because that's a Saturday. So I need to delete that. That's wrong. Is the 18th. And then from April the 21st through the 24th is positive in regards to money, making money on those days. The 21st, which is this day, which makes sense because Fridays are normally stronger in April. And then the 24th, which is Monday, which is Wednesday. Remember, Wednesday and Friday are the strongest day of the weekdays. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are a little weaker. Monday and Friday the strongest. And this is the strongest day out of the month. So if you could digest all that, this week coming up is going to be very important. Monday is going to be, where we're going to see if price action is going to confirm all these statistics and all these numbers. And then, we'll continue, this and then, but we're running out of time in regards to getting this nice pop into April. If it doesn't happen then this week, then, it's one of those things that if we haven't taken out 199, then this trade probably is going to become a dud. So it's very crucial that something happens, next week. If not, then, just tighten stops or, play whatever strategy you have. But this could probably be a dud, and price action is not cooperating, and it's not gonna follow the seasonality unless this is a bear trap, and then Monday they pop it, but that all remains to be seen. Last part I'm going to show you will be the levels. Where's my chart? I showed you that levels. So we got this nice pop, pulled back, kind of sideways chop, and then it got pounced by Bigfoot. And now we're at like 199, and you can see that some buyers came in and pushed it up. Now, is this like the final trap? And you're looking at statistics for Monday where they're going to just really rip it? Because statistically, Monday is very strong. It's the strongest day out of the whole month. Bullish. I mean, big candles. That remains to be seen. Commitments of traders report is still showing, as of now, is showing that, commercial is unwinding, selling. The large speculators are buying. So ask yourself, why large speculators are buying while storage and demand is weak and, supply is very, big. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Or is large speculators lining up with the seasonality? For some reason, something's going to happen that, natural gas is just going to pop for whatever reason. I don't know if the weather's going to change overnight or something's going to happen that's going to change. But, it's one of those things you just going to have to, ask yourself these questions. If supply is this big, which is, and there's no demand and the weather is not, cold, I'm assuming large speculators should be, selling, and commercials should be, buying, because prices are going to continue pushing down. So I don't know. Those are the little things you need to think about. In regards to level, well, obviously that 199, there's the 194, and then the 189 or 90 to the downside. We need to regain Monday 209 and close above 213. You can see this is the low of the week. Another levels are 193 all the way to 187. And this is another, well, it's a 209 right here and the 212. So everything is kind of like, in this little area right here for us to close above. And, on the monthly, there's the 238 and also the 251. And this is bigger support down here, 174 and 148, which, if it's going to be a trap or capitulation, it could probably hit those numbers. I'll probably get stopped out. But, that's what it is. And looking at the yearly, you can see that there's this big pivot right here of it's like 207 and 204 and change. And it's just kind of oscillating here. The next big one on the yearly would be 44 cents. I mean, is it going to go all the way down there? I mean, that's a gift from the gods if it goes down there. I don't know. That's very extreme. There's no more support. There's no more levels here. It's here and then here on the yearly. So those are the levels. Like I've been saying, we need to close above 225 to see some upside. So next week, Monday is it. I mean, this is it. This is it right here. Strongest day. 0.80 up. Down, down, and then up and up. Hopefully you like this video. Let me know your thoughts. I'll keep you posted on natural gas and then see how we close next week.